Hi, I'm Calder and I'm a 3D artist focusing on fantasy and sci-fi worlds. I worked on everything from children's TV shows to dark role-playing games. As a freelance artist, I've collaborated on product art and album covers. I've also worked with clients such as Google and Aetherus Entertainment. I like to make striking 3D environmental vistas that tell story through their many details and invite viewers to explore their little nooks and crannies. Although I mostly do landscape art, I'm always exploring different styles and workflows. I particularly like working with our Arnold program to create Toon shaders. I see them as my specialty as an artist. There is very little info about this stylized approach out there. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create 3D environment renders using Arnold. For the final project, you will create a stylized but gritty scene with a sci-fi feel. First, we'll get to know our materials, gather a bunch of inspirational images, and define our central idea. I will introduce you to the basics of Arnold and show you how to set up the Toon shaders and rendering settings. After that, we will block our scene and build it piece by piece, adding colors and details as we go. Once we've completed our image, we'll take it into Photoshop for finishing touches, and we're done. I will also give you some advice for sharing your work, as well as a few tricks to send you on your way to develop your own style. By the end of the course, you will have all of the skills you need to start making your own highly detailed sci-fi landscapes. To join me, you will need access to Photoshop as well as Cinema 4D with Arnold. Create stylized, fantastic scenes full of eye-catching details.